3 reasons your manifestation has not come into your reality just yet. Hello, my powerful creators. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Candice, and on this channel, we talk about manifestation, the law of assumption, and personal development. And if you want to become a powerful creator, all you have to do is hit that subscribe button. In today's video, I'm going to give you 3 powerful reasons why your manifestation has not come into your reality right now. These 3 reasons are so important to your manifestation journey. So if you're not doing these things, this is the sole reason you are not living in your manifestation. So I want to give you these 3 tips so that you can start fixing the areas that you need to fix in order to bring in your manifestation. So the first reason is you aren't living in the end. Living in the end is so important when it comes to your manifestation journey. Whatever you desire, you have to live right now as though it already happened, as if you already have it in your life. You have to live in that gratitude that it already happened. Live in that feeling of relief that it already happened. Stop focusing on it not happening because you're manifesting it more that it's not happening. If you focus on that element, you gotta focus on the fact that it already happened. Just pretend as if it already happened. The best way to do this is to assume the feeling of already having your desires. What is the feeling as if you already had what you desired? Whatever you desire, act as if you already have it. So what does that mean for you? If you desire a relationship, how are you going to act in your life as if you already have that relationship? Well, you are going to go to bed and kiss that person goodnight, imagine that person in bed with you. You are going to live your life with relief that you are living in the lifestyle of having your love in your life. If you desire money in your life, you are going to live right now in gratitude for all the things you already have. And then you're going to see the universe make way, make pathways for you to gain more money in your life. You're going to have opportunities to make more money when you start being grateful right now. So it's really important to live right now as if you already have your manifestation. The second reason your manifestation is not here is because you aren't speaking your affirmations regularly. You're not persisting in your day-to-day life with your affirmations. A lot of times we say, I don't have this, I don't have that. So we are affirming that in our life and then we don't have them. Or we say, I'm so this and I hate this about myself, and we will see that manifesting in our life. You choose who you declare who you are in this life. So speak positive over your life. Speak gratitude over your life. What are some things that you desire to be that you aren't now? You can say, I am successful. I am financially free. I am with the one that I love and he loves me too. They love me too. I am this, I am that. I am so grateful that I am all that I ever desired to be. I'm that right now. You have got to do your affirmations every single day. You can't live your life desiring to have things in your life and then you're still speaking negative over your life. That formula is not going to work for you, powerful creators. You've got to speak positivity over your life. Speak things as if you already have them. Speak them right now. If you need affirmations, I post daily affirmations on my Daily Affirmations with Candice Instagram. Go there, speak the affirmation all throughout your day. Declare things in your life. Do not let a day go by where you're not affirming positivity in your life. And the final and third reason your manifestation is not here yet is because you're not using your imagination. You have got to imagine the best scenarios for your life. Stop imagining things to work out negatively. Stop imagining that everything is not going to work out, that you don't believe this. It happened to you in your past, so why wouldn't it happen now? stop imagining the negative and start imagining miracles and blessings and prosperity over your life, powerful creators. You gotta imagine the best for your life, the best for yourself, the best situations. That is how you are going to create your manifestations in the most perfect way in your life. I want you to use your imagination like you did when you were a child. Use your skills imagination. If you think you can't imagine, honey, you can. You can. If you believe in manifestation, you are already imagining yourself as something else. You're imagining your life in a different realm. That is imagination, and you got to do this every single day, especially right before bed. Right before bed goes into your subconscious mind, and the universe will create opportunities and elements in your life to expand your life so that you can get your manifestation in your life now. It will bring opportunities, it will bring pathways. You will get calls from people that you haven't met before, and they say, we want to work with you. You'll get a text from your ex or whatever you desire. You will start a beautiful relationship with that person that you desire to be with. When you start imagining the best for your life. Imagination is so important in your manifestation journey, so you gotta use it. Thank you so much, powerful creators, for watching today's video. I want you to do all 3 steps and analyze your manifestation journey where you're falling in the gaps. You have gaps in your manifestation. Maybe you aren't doing your affirmations. Maybe you're living in the end of it not working out. You gotta stop that. Live in the end of it working out the best, and imagine the best for yourself, because you deserve it. You are deserving, you are worthy of great things happening in your life, and I want you to comment that below. I am worthy of great things happening in my life. Know that in your life. Speak that affirmation over your life that you are worthy, you are deserving of every great thing that you ever imagined. You're worthy of it, powerful creators. And the powerful creator of this video is Chloe Finsom. Chloe, thank you so much for being a part of the Powerful Creators community. I truly, truly appreciate your love and support. It means a lot to me. If you would like a shout out in my next video, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, hit that like button, and hit that bell notification button, and comment the secret word below. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram for daily affirmations. If you like this video, I want you to know that I created my first subliminal. It's a powerful love subliminal, and it is so powerful. It's amazing. It's so cool. It makes you feel so at peace. And as soon as I started, I can feel the feelings of like just peace and love and tranquility. And I'm so excited for you to listen to it, use it to manifest love in your life fast. I want you to go over there and do some meditation. You know, just think about all the things that you desire and use that tool to get you there. Thank you again for watching today's video. Powerful creators, I hope you have the most amazing day, and I will speak to you in my next video. Love you.